Hey, there's this new feature in Copilot for PowerPoint that is interesting. So here I'm going to ask to look at a survey and create a presentation, and I'm going to give some instructions how to create it. What is new is going to offer me to generate content based on generative AI images, and that can make your slide deck a little bit more engaging. Also, I'll be able to pick nice templates, and you'll see the difference. And the limitation of that it's going to take more time because obviously, if you generate images here, AI generated images, it will take more time. So I'm going to pick up a style here like this one. I'm gonna generate the slides. I might have to pause the video because it takes quite a time. But I think it's worth the wait because the final result is very impactful. So let's see. It's adding the slides, the title of the slides. So let's see if I have to pause it. And once he added the slides, then he's going to try to create the content of the slide. So it might take a minute, so I'm going to pause it and resume it. So it might take a few minutes. So now I enter in the phase of generating content for each slide. I'm going to pause it again, but that's the second step. So globally it took 2 minutes, maybe a little bit more. And I have a nice deck here. As you can see, it uses the layout I chose. It's nicely laid out. So let's see. It's a good, there's no infographic, there's no graphics. So it didn't take into account all what I asked. There's an empty slide here, I'm not sure why. So you can see that still it's limited, there are hallucinations sometimes, so you need to review, check the facts. And here it's too long, but definitely it makes my slides a little bit better. I'm not sure, I guess all the images were generated, that's my guess, I'm not sure. I cannot tell if it's part of the template. Apparently it is, because visual learning, auditory learning, reading, writing, might be a standard image, I'm not sure. I'm trying to find an image that will reflect what's in the survey. And here there's some mistakes here. Okay, so not very conclusive except for the design. I like the design, but my instructions were not really used. So what if I'm going to use Copilot, I'm going to try to use this new agent mode. Agent mode should be able to interact with the document. So if you want to enhance your slide deck with make sure that none of the slides are empty. So or make them a title slide, like the number 7. So basically, the agent mode in PowerPoint, you conversing with Copilot and asking Copilot to do some things in your presentation. So you already have a presentation. Unfortunately, you cannot add any file here, so I couldn't have started here. I have to have a slide and I can enhance it, or I can start from nothing, but it's just going to be a prompt. And I can show you that in another example when we're finished with that. And maybe while it's doing that, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna open a new chat. Oh, that's true. I need to go there. And open PowerPoint, create a blank presentation. Open this. Whenever it's ready, activate agent mode and say create a presentation for executives explaining the Copilot journey. So basically here I don't have anything and I can still use agent mode to write into it. It's a bit the same, but it's more conversational. It's not one shot, so I can iterate based on what it's going to bring back. Let's go back to my slide deck. I don't remember which one it was. This one. Yeah, this is not working. Hopefully this is going to work. This is still in beta. They call it preview, or they call it frontier, and I might have some issues here, as you can see. And just to let you know, I use another method using the frontier agent PowerPoint that is provided by behind the scene by Claude, and apparently there's an issue here, so I'm not sure if it's there's an outage here. Oh, it's still doing something. Okay. Let's see if it's going somewhere. The other way to create a presentation is to use this frontier agent, PowerPoint frontier agent that is using Cloud, and it's going to give you some examples, and it does a very good job. And you can choose your template. It's going to ask you a question. I can show you what question it asked me. So basically I did the same thing, and it asked me, is it for C-suite or department heads, and what is the primary goal, how many slides, do you want more visual, what template do you want to use, and then I go, and apparently I don't know where it is, it's blocked. So there might be some issue right now with Copilot. Seems that I don't know if it's linked to Copilot in PowerPoint, or is it Copilot everywhere? Let's pause the video again. Well, it took a few minutes actually to see this new screen here, and so it asked me how many slides I want, so I'm going to say long. So he understands he asked me what's the scope. I want to be sure, so I'm going to give this. So it's interesting. There's a lot of cards here that are asking me the topic, and so it looks like a little bit the frontier agent with some questions, but it's one by one question. So I might want to pause it again. So a few minutes after I get this question, what template would you like? And I don't see them very well. So I see the corporate templates. I see some other template. So I can say this one. And then he asked me if I want specific image to be generated. That's pretty cool. So it's going to use AI images. And I like I usually like this one. I'm going to try actually this one. I'm going to say get an outline. I have to pause again. So it's a long process. I have another step here. It tells me all the slides here. I can see all the titles, and you can look at that and say, okay, looks good. Or you can probably revise, but I'm not going to try to revise and go into those steps again. So I'm going to say proceed, as it tells me here to proceed. And I'm going to pause it again. So finally, after, let's count. I started this at 20, 24. I've said 25 minutes, maybe a little bit more. I have a final result. So let's look at the result. And so this is not great. This is cool. This is not great. This is not great. So it's missing some stuff, but I'm a little bit disappointed by this. But definitely it gives a good slide deck about different aspects. Some images are missing. I'm not sure if it's because it was not able to generate an image. I'm not sure about that. Or if it's because there was no image in the template that fit the need. So I'm not sure. Actually, I cannot have any proof that image were generated by generative AI here, and definitely there's some empty stuff. So let's compare it to the one that I rerun. I tried again, and I had a result. So this is based on Claude by Anthropic inside of PowerPoint. So it creates a nice slide deck, and here I have some data. I have some graphics. Yeah, I have a reference to the study. I have some graphics. So it's, to me, this looks better. Because at first I was able to inject my file, while here I was not able to do it. I could create from scratch, but it's nice. As you can see, the agent mode is the first version, so it's a worse version, so it's gonna be better. So in the future, I'm expecting it to be able to generate different graphics, to generate charts, to fill all the slides with images generated by generative AI. So there's way for improvement for sure, but it's a good start, and the layout looks terrific. So I think it's going to be better and better. But as you can see, I'm going to keep going with Claude here because it's a better output and capability. I can link to a document, which was not the case with the agent mode. I cannot reference any document here. If I type / there's nothing I can do. Hope this video was not too long, a little bit clunky for sure, but that's what it takes to experiment new things in Copilot. Hope you enjoyed it.